Hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to AWS This Week. And there are some very cool announcements this week, including a brand new version of the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate level exam, which is coming this year. Amazon Comprehend now supports entity-based sentiment analysis. You can now easily find out when your custom AMI was last used to launch an EC2 instance. And you can now register to attend one of the AWS Summits. You're watching AWS This Week with me, Faye Ellis. A brand new version of the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam is coming on August 30th this year. Now, essentially, the exam is going to remain very much the same. However, they are updating it to include a lot of new services, including a greater focus on data analytics, management and governance services, and some added security services as well. And this is just to keep the exam up to date with the latest services and best practices for architecting on AWS. And the current exam, which is SAA C02, will be available until August 29th. And from August 30th, only the new exam, which is SAA C03, will be available. Amazon Comprehend now supports entity-based sentiment analysis. And if you've not used Comprehend before, it's a natural language processing service which uses machine learning to analyze text data. And it now supports targeted sentiment, which is a brand new API that enables more granular sentiment analysis, allowing you to identify the sentiment, for example, positive, negative, or neutral, towards specific entities within a given text. And when we think of entities, that could be a product, a brand, a movie, book, or game, or even a person. So businesses will be able to use this to identify customer sentiment in social media feeds, product reviews, and blog posts, and focus on the entities that were mentioned in the text and understand the sentiment towards each individual entity. Amazon Machine Images, or AMIs, now include a new property called LastLaunchedTime. What a tongue twister. And this is simply a timestamp that tells you when your AMI was last used to launch an EC2 instance. And this is great because it will allow you to understand the usage of your custom AMIs and identify AMIs that have not been used recently so that you can deprecate them. And this is important because even if you are not using an AMI, you are still paying for it to be stored in S3. So you will be paying a monthly storage fee even if you haven't used it recently. Registration is now open for a number of AWS Summits, which are happening all around the world over the coming months. So far, there are summits announced for North America, the Middle East, and Europe, with more regions expected to be added. And these are in-person events where you can hear technical talks from AWS experts, partners, and customers, and even participate in technical breakout sessions, demonstrations, and interactive workshops. It's a great opportunity to connect with others in the cloud community. And if you're planning to attend the London Summit, then I will see you there. Well, that's all for this week. Keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus, take care of yourselves, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon.